right, today I have a 2018 Toyota Highlander, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats in this vehicle. But before we get started, if you find my content helpful, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So let's get started with laying down these rear seats. As you can see, I'm in the rear of the vehicle. The seats are upright. What I'm going to do to lay down the rear seats is I'm going to come down here, and you see right here, here is a lever right here for pushing them forward, okay? So I'm going to pull this, and it comes forward like that. All right, pretty cool, right? All right, and then I'm going to do number two right here. I'm going to do the number two after I've done the number one. I'm going to pull it like that, and it lays down the rear seat on this side. Now, to do the other side, I'm just going to go around to the other side of the vehicle. Going to go around to the other side of the vehicle, open the door, and I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do the number one. It pushes it like that, and then I'm going to do the number two, and it lays it down just like that. That's how you lay down the rear seat, the rear middle seat of this vehicle. All right, and here is back here. This is the rear seat back here. Now, in order to lay this down, I just pushed it up. In order to lay it down, all I'm going to do is I am going to take this lever. You see this right here? I'm going to take this right here, this pulley, pull it up, and it lays down the rear seat like that. And there's another one on the side. Now, to pick them back up, I just raise them until it clicks. Same right here, raise it until it clicks. And then on the sides right here, raise this till it clicks. Raise this until it clicks. Okay, that's how you lay down and raise the rear and middle seat on a Toyota Highlander 2018. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.